you know. They say make I talk.
Say we don't start to.
Make I talk.
Yeah, talking.
Because now so they give me tuberculosis. No, they cough.
Who they give you tuberculosis?
You go they do everywhere.
Not be you. They give me syphilis. I be they call it you. You say tuberculosis. How would I do? We they welcome all of you now. Come for the party show. How all of una dey we dey say welcome to party to my name Professor Ogbolo and Namibi Ogbolo grandpapa. Today we say make we call come and take their place for the toe. You talk to your old Jare.
I'm not too old like him. Him be 97. Me, I'm just a very simple 65-year-old woman. 65.
Say at 87, you are still dey use a woman age for people for house you need. What is wrong with all this? Even for old age itself, you no get yourself. You see the life where everybody say something. What's wrong to you?
They have cuckoo say it. They say as person is olding, you will not be having sense again. You will be doing like a baby. You see now? You are just talking. You are senseless.
Who is that?
You are old.
You want senseless.
You are senseless.
You no get about sense. You are unsensibility. What are you doing like that? All this your old woman.
One sense you don't have again. But it's okay. I will still tell them what I want to tell. They say, let me talk when no song.
You are now, I go wound you.
Wound?
I go wound you.
You go fall.
No go. Let me
you
fall
go
for
fall.
Yeah, they worry you. Not try me.
They don't cuckoo talk. They say, person wey no get sense. Now he know they get sense. The one wey get sense, that means say sense dey in body.
You say that.
Now me now him be the one wey sense dey in body.
This one they do parable for me.
The one wey no get sense, now he no get sense.
Make I tell you something. Monkey, he dey jump up and down.
Hello.
He just dey jump up and down. You no know say we want to do this.
Hello, Mayowa. How are you? We are cuckoo holding it down for you. Sebi is how you used to say hold it down. It's just a grandfather. He's doing musnafu.
Not they drag this thing with you. You think say now only that one. You don't shop this snuff for me.
Mayo, why we are your hair? Your hair.
Make we go for a break.
Mayo was saying my Yandi young.
Yandi, you don't go for break first. You say you not going to even get the sense for body. See yourself now. You don't go to shop snuff where they take for inside nose.
Young.
But we go for a break, Jare. No mind this person for this. You did not me. You not go.
What the fuck? This is for fuck's sake. Nima.
Just grab it for me. No, I just really need help.
I knew it!
Ouch! It's so hard. Oh, shit.
say for our old age, you know, they laugh too much like that. Yeah. No, they read the story. Say your brain is the boot to me.
No, they shout for me. No, they shout for me.
If you like cry the cry where you never cry when you small, you go know the thing where they are put to you.
You know that when I was younger, my hand would have moved.
You will move. My leg is going, you move. Don't they touch me. You no go see old age.
I don't old. I don't old. Tu sois
if you know suffer, your pikin go suffer. My one. Make yeah, mama.
Hey, God will judge the people. God will judge the people. This mom, in wife, born pikin, 15-year-old girl. Say be the girl come and live on her village. Come and see, not be her village. She live where in the go school. Come and see in daddy. In Lagos, in Ajayi.
Hey, Papa.
In Papa. The girl come, he spend holiday with daddy. He go back to school, daddy put him inside bus, yo. Now he is kidnapper bus, he put the girl. Not be even waiting pay me. The one wey pay me be say na family member. Now he come do join me with kidnapper people. Say carry the girl, sell her to pimp in Libya.
For Libya,
When police come enter inside, see the fine girl. See the fine girl. When police come enter inside this motor now, come say, uncle, cousin, here is the daughter. I say, they don't sell like, don't go Libya. Then still they fire, they go bring guy in the Libya.
Just like that, too.
Ogbolo.
Hey, Papa.
Papa Ogbolo, no first. Because it's coming new is come my stomach.
That bad thing be this one, though. Because when you can say that when I still young, I catch that man, I go give her upper cut, give her lower cut, even give her head boot to Johnny Boy. Now bad thing be this.
Family member to your long.
Nobody is safe again. Hey. Hey, moment
I
of
just
silence.
hope that they find this girl because find little children of nowadays. The thing you are done with, what you are doing in your eye mouth do.
Which do they do? Mouth do. I don't know who can they hold for two of us who knew, but now bad story be that one. Me self, I can't get a bad story this morning, no. Before I go do that one, make I take care of this kidney journey. So it is now only one they carry for body me. Hey! Okay. This one happened for Obodo Yibo. They say that for Virginia. Virginia, they for so well for inside
our descendant place.
She not be London, you're picking to the life for this place in it. All of them. All of them are confused for the family in it. Yeah, this one a teacher, Erica Lynn Mesa. She be 28 years old. They don't sentence her for 22 years for prison.
Wetin she do?
Wetin she do?
Wetin she do?
You see the face, they cash out, they torchlight 4 students.
Whenever they say thing.
Whenever they say thing.
No bad
She dey torchlight them for her house, for her matrimonial bed. Now then they for cash and more, where she dey show different skills. Spider-Man, Batman, whole chandelier, everything they do say. She dey use all these students they testing different things. He say he even get one way she even do for inside her motor knee. On the day the boy do 18-year-old birthday.
She give herself gift for
she give her gift for inside motor. Say come here make I torchlight your website. So as it be like this now 22 years for prison and she go serve. Now be say
during our own time.
Lord.
During our own time. If you go school, they say sit near belle boy. You go begin cry.
Na belle be that now.
You go begin cry.
These children these days.
These children.
Erica.
They bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run, have a fearing of God.
Hey, say you know say man and man. All those small boys, they do ginger. When you go just introduce something to them, they will go and do it in it. But now you, the teacher, supposed to be protecting your students. You are touchlighting them. What kind of a useless teacher you are? You are a duplex.
Yes.
Or esophagus.
Yes.
A bitacola process.
Take it easy.
No, they knock me. Say you want make my heart come off from my mouth to knee. You want to give me. No, they knock me. I go blow.
You go fall down. You go fall loose.
No, they try you.
I go fall.
I go just give you uppercut like this.
That's uppercut. Your hand dey shake.
You not dey shake
anything.
Uppercut,
yeah.
No be shake me this so. Na training be this so. Kini here. Not dey.
Your own age dey pour.
Not dey pour the tea. Dey pour it. But na very bad story be this one o. So please o. All the teacher wey dey for the teacher our children rights no dey touchlight them only. Please, the teacher dem no dey beat them ni. Teacher dem no dey tell them say dem no go make am. You are the teacher for their life. Your responsibility na to bring them up in a way that they will grow and be good children and citizens of the country. Thank you very much o. Erica, body catching you.
You know say dem say. You know say dem dey talk this thing. Dem say the person wey go die na him go drive anyhow. The person wey go die na him go drive anyhow. If you now say that you want to be doing your life anyhow, you will die lasan. And if you die, you have died.
You die. Anyway, make we match break for here. We dey come back. We dey come back now. If you go try say you wan go touch,
they
touch like small boys.
Beat me, make you fall. Even in my old age, I still get poise.
Where dey be poise?
For my whole age, I still get class.
Any which way, like for me like this, I dey remember when we young that year. Different song they go for my mind. You remember, call me, Daddy we see, Daddy we see. If they make me they do body like this, and they handle them that time,
Oh God, Lord Daddy. That time my afro no be here.
Oh yeah, sing this song,
Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute?
Yes.
You mean me? Yes, you.
Yes, you.
Everybody, Daddy we see, Daddy we see, Daddy. We're gonna do like this.
I'm gonna do you like a muffin.
Wreck a muffin.
Hey, you want to be happy? Just call out my name. Everybody call me.
The rap, they call me.
Come in down there with Mr. Ragamuffin. Come in down there with Mr. Ragamuffin. Come in down there with Mr. Oh, don't call me, don't call me. Everybody call me Ragamuffin. Hey, don't call me. Everybody call me Ragamuffin. Ragamuffin. Hey, my leg in one day hook. Hey, yeah. He don't hook. Thank you very much.
You don't do okay.
I think I still there for young gold.
You don't hold. You go so far.
But not me say I know still sabi today.
That time. With my palazzo trouser, with my utter neck, backless.
Maybe continue for the story, Yandy.
For inside there, Anambra, they are doing good thing there.
Good thing for there.
Good thing there. As if say, for there now, they catch people where they do kidnapping business.
Kidnapping people.
The criminology.
Criminology. Waiting. Now my snuff be that you go for happy too.
Criminal wey is dey inside Anambra, they have catch them. They come and parade many of them. You know in the place, this gospel artist, he's even a gospel artist, so his name is Mr. Pascal Obinna Ofo. From Arundi Zogo. Imo State there. They gun shoot am. Do time when they do ikpisi o. Police and them ikpisi o. Na in dem kill am.
They give pisio.
Papa, make I touch.
I dey ginger for your tori now.
No ginger.
Oh, yeah, they talk
the place where the thing happen. Na for inside Imo State, for Idemili, not local government area. This thing I'm telling you. Now the place where then they pack themselves put, they call the place Eziowele. These people, they get kidnapped, they rob, they kill, they arm robbery. Now in them go there, go bell up for their cabal. Now in them been killed this gospel artist and kingpin, Mr. Pascal Obina. Police you have police you have tried.
Police committee have robbery. The bad people waiting for committee have robbery. Committee have robbery. Make my waist not go shift you. But we dey say thumbs up to police. You no go sit down, not go shift the waist to me. I still need the waist to. Or you sit down for that place like that. So you have finished your story, Shebi. No be better thing be that thing, but we say kudos to police. You know they try. For my own final story, not they knock me. Not they knock me, Jade. They say for all these mad people wey full for outside, they make me dey laugh. For Lekki phase 1 for them, one madman is your better walk up. You know that thing that they call mast.
Where all these people where they do call, where they carry signal.
That long thing wey dey for up, they come build fence around the thing, no. Now one madman, because of say different things they happen for election now, different craze here for there. Now the madman jump the fence, so the mega did not see the madman. The madman they climb for up. See where the madman climb reach. This morning, now people gather for the down. They say how the madman take reach for up for there. They come they beg it to Oga come down. Find out. He come they come down, but people don't gather for the down. You know what it come make me laugh?
Tell me.
I see they come for down. He come say make he peace. He come peace for everybody head. He peace for their head. He water their head. He be like garden.
He give them morning glory.
He baptize all the people waiting for now. You know, say when madman peace he touch you, you self you don't crazy. But police come arrest him. What are you arresting him for?
He's a madman. He's a madman. Follow Moyo one Ogbolo inside Twitter. At Wasobia Paddy. At Wasobia Paddy. They follow them. They are our children. Please follow them. Follow them. Ogbolo. Let's start tomorrow. I didn't have anything to say, but I will beg you. Pity your parents.
Yes.
Don't kill yourself for nothing.
Please,
Vote your vote and go home.
Please,
Don't stand in the place, yo.
Please,
Hey, don't do anyhow. Panty. They will carry you to if they cast you.
We are pledging for peace.
Please, yo.
We are pledging for peace. Peace is like peace, Bless peace, maybe we match this break, go for laugh. Abi? Shebi, we not go do laugh.
They go as.
Oh yeah, make we just go for here like that.
House.
We'll say we go see you now again on Monday.
Papa, dance for me now.
You want to dance for me?
Dance for me.
You and I will live as one.
Do me.
You and
dance
I
for me.
We go laugh all of now. We live as one. You and I.